Okay, today we're gonna check out the Pasadena parrot. It's also called a red-crowned parrot. That would be the real name for it. It has a red head, a green body, and they seem to be screamy, especially at dusk and dawn. So a lot of theories surrounded how they even ended up claiming Pasadena. I'm actually in Rosemead right now. I've seen them in Temple City. They're super loud. They don't like the crows. The crows don't like them. Kind of pretty though. So a couple of the theories that surrounded if they ended up here from Mexico or Colorado. I've heard people say that 10 of the species are from Latin America and one's from like northern Africa. Got a target over here. And some people say that a pet store burned down in Colorado and the birds escaped from there and colonized here. Other people say that they just migrated from Mexico.